I think Burger King has lost. Oh, why is it so sticky? Oh, got the cameras. I can't do no more. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Quiana West. Today we're gonna be cleaning the fridge, basically just getting everything out, giving it a nice scrub, and then packing everything back so that it makes sense. So, got my headphones, got my ears covered, so let's get into it.
You could kill me, I'd still be dialing your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel safe. Think you work better than my prescription.
Okay, so the water's boiled, it's in the zinc, so I think my plan of action firstly is going to be to do the fridge door so it feels like I'm making some progress, and then I'm going to wash everything, dry it, put it back in, and then we're going to repack it. So let's go.
So then, pour your honey sickly sweet.
Oh, oh, that's disgusting. Oish. It was a tomato underneath the... Yo, I can't.
6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When
I don't know if it's safe. I need like a moment. Oh, why is it so sticky? You. Nah, I'm regretting my decisions actually now. That was nasty.
everything goes well.
I mask. I'm gonna have to steal that mask. Maybe I'll refrain from stacking it. I don't know if I was supposed to pull that off. If not, my parents will crack me out later. So let's put these eggs in a little corner here. Let's hope none of them break, or else I'm in like some serious shit. Something smells foul. That's not kosher. That's not okay. That was never okay.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me.
Oh, that's like stuck in there.
Pour your honey sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be dialing your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel safe. Think you work better.
That's it. Absolutely foul in the trenches. I want to go home.
Feels as
So over here is kind of just a section for McDonald's sauces and like 2 Burger King sauces. All the eggs are here. There's like ketchup and mayo sachets around it just to hold it there. This is anything like medical that we use. All the stuff that's like a sweet treat, chocolate, anything like that. This is just cheese. I don't know what obsession my parents have with cheese, but this is just cheese. This is anything like a face mask or eye gels. This is basically, what's this? Coconut. Yeah, you put it like on cook sisters and like bolas and stuff like that, so it's there. And then I don't know if you can see here, but it's just cool drink and sauces, like the milk and the coke is in the fridge. So yeah. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Hey guys, I won't lie to you. I don't remember where everything goes. So, high five, man.
Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you were better than my prescription.
Everything is clean or cleared out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This one, always cold drink and like sauces that we have at hand. This one is always eggs. So we need to kind of separate like the sauces in here, eggs. I think I'm gonna keep the medical stuff here, it just makes sense. The rest I'm not too sure. But yeah. We'll get there when we get there. Yep. Oh my gosh. I didn't die.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me
This doesn't feel right. It feels like it's gonna break. I can't describe it.
You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I
Please shut up. You're making me nervous. It's the best I can do for you, Cookie.
feels as
Bitch.
good as you do.
Vibes.
If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I'm
Absolutely insane. The kitchen is like literally every corner is filled. Now, let's get to washing up.
better than my prescriptions. Better.
Got the cameras. I can't do it no more.
I can feel the breeze.
It's the same thing. Oh my god.
Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you were better.
Guys, am I gonna do the vegetable pot? I feel like it's clean. Can I lie to myself? Because I don't.
Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
I regret my decisions deeply. Yeah. The fridge looks exactly the same. There's too many things in that fridge. Don't even get me started on the trays at the bottom. I didn't even sniff that. Too many things touched my hand. Too many things smelled bad as well. At least the fridge is clean. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, and wait for more. Bye.